This is the working area of Talend Open Studio for data integration, the design area. As you can see, we got a job already set up. This one export data from a MySQL table right into an Excel template. Let me show you the template. This is the structure. 3 columns: ID, country, name, and code. And this one is the MySQL table. The same structure: ID, country, name, and code. I think it's 118 records on this one. Let's go back to Talend Open Studio. So we'll be exporting the records from the MySQL table right into the Excel template. But picture yourself, you're about to run this job, but you want an email be sent after the execution of this job. For that, we'll be using the tsendMail component, this one right here. This component will allow us to send an email after the execution of the job. We'll be setting this component up right here. Double click and we will setting up the emails right here. On this area, the email who will be get the message. I'll be using a Yahoo account for this matter. And the sender, I'll be using a Gmail account as the sender of the email. We can leave all these fields empty. And we'll set a subject for the email. Talend Open Studio mail system or something like that. We go right to that message and write down something like Talend Open Studio for data integration. Right? Go right to this area, the SMTP host, the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. We set it up as Gmail. The SMTP port for this one, for Gmail, is 587. We choose the start TLS support, importance high, and we start writing down the username. We go right here to write down the password for the email user, the Gmail user. We write down the password, clicking OK, and that's it. We go right to the Excel component, right click on it, trigger, and on component OK, and set a connection with the tsendMail component. We choose this and this one, but first we have to shut down the Excel template so we don't have any trouble on exporting the data. So we press F6 or just this button right here, and the job will be start running. You can see right here down below The data is starting to be exported. We have to wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, 118 rows has been transferred. Oh yeah, it's already been done. The data is being transferred and an email has been sent. First will be check out the data, so you can see that the data has been transferred, has been exported, and then will be check out the email. It will take a couple of seconds. Let's go right to right here, Excel template, and the data has been transferred. 118 records has been transferred, and let's go right here to the Yahoo email account, Talend Open Studio for data integration. That's it for today's edition. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like this video. Your comments, opinions, and more on the description down below. Thanks.